Hi everybody, today we are going to talk about our 10th grade project, Group 4, within Biology and Chemistry class. My group is conformed by Valentina Espitia and me, Isabel Ahumada. So the title of our project is Hydrological Connectivity of the Torca Wetland District Ecological Park, nowadays known as the Torca Wetland District Reservoir. So the research question is: what is the hydrological connectivity of Torca Wetland District Reservoir? And our objective is to understand how the hydrological connectivity of the Torca Wetland District Reservoir explains the movement of water across the ecosystem and how its fragmentation may lead to the disruption of its natural processes. So within this video, we are going to answer these two questions.
So today we're trying to explore all the hydrological connections along the wetland. For example, in this ecosystem we have a mirror of water, and there we have also different bodies like Los Perros and Aguas Calientes. The hydrological connections start at the east in the mountains and goes down until it arrives at this wetland.
So one of the important things to highlight about this wetland is that it is divided into parts. It has a fragmentation in its ecosystem by the highway, by the Autopista Norte, and it divides into bimaral wetland and torca wetland.
We are going to recollect a little bit of water in order to measure the pH, the conductivity, and also the temperature of the water to analyze maybe the environmental impact of in this wetland.
A sample taken from the water indicates a moderate temperature of 16.7 Celsius, which is suitable for aquatic life, but it gives a high conductivity of 7.88 millisiemens per centimeter, which suggests a strong presence of metals or different pollutants. In addition, the pH of 8.75 is slightly alkaline, which could affect some sensitive species. These values point a possible alteration of its natural balance and the ecosystem by the human influence and the fragmentation of the Torcas wetland.
El día de hoy estamos con...
Hola, mi nombre es Nelly Pedraza, soy profesional de caminatas de la Secretaría Distrital de Ambiente, soy ingeniera agrícola de la Universidad Nacional de Colombia.
Bueno, y le vamos a hacer unas preguntas. ¿Cómo la conectividad hidrológica del humedal Torca explica el movimiento de agua a través del ecosistema?
Bueno, como lo veíamos en el transcurso de la caminata, el agua fluye en Bogotá de oriente a occidente, ¿sí? Viene de los cerros. Entonces en los humedales y dependiendo de los lodos sedimentados se mantiene el agua para que se puedan lograr todos los procesos ecosistémicos que ya vimos, como son el control de inundaciones. Entonces los humedales actúan como esponjas para atrapar el CO2 y atrapar el agua para que esa conectividad, digamos, fluya de esa manera.
Muchas gracias.
So, in short words, the hydrological connectivity of the Torca Wetland District Reservoir explains the movement of water across the ecosystem by enabling the flow between surface and underground sources in the city by connecting different water bodies. As it has been already mentioned, it connects water that comes from east to west, and this connectivity helps regulates floods, maintain water quality, support biodiversity in the wetlands, and it acts like a natural sponge, as the guide of the wetland said, that stores and releases water through the system.
¿Cómo la fragmentación del humedal puede conducir a la alteración de los procesos naturales que ocurren en el mismo?
Bueno, pues como vemos específicamente en el humedal Torca, tenemos una fragmentación creada por la Autopista Norte, ¿sí? Esta fragmentación afecta todos los procesos ecosistémicos del humedal, como son la biodiversidad, el control de inundaciones, el control del cambio climático. Entonces, como hay menos biodiversidad, hay menos verde, digamos, entonces solamente hay poco, por ejemplo, como flujo de los procesos químicos que nos sirven a todos los ciudadanos. Como hay mayor porcentaje de CO2 en el ambiente, entonces el humedal, obviamente si hubiera más cantidad de humedad, pues habría muchos más beneficios para toda la sociedad.
Okay, now, how the fragmentation of the ecosystem disrupt their natural processes? Well, in Bogota, almost the 97% of natural water bodies have been lost, disrupt the essential ecological processes. This wetland, for example, perform key functions. They receive the water coming down from the mountains, clean it, store it, and protect it. And despite the impact suffered, such as in the body's water, Aguas Calientes and El Perro, they still generate the water, but their ability to sustain these processes is compromised by urbanization and isolation between natural areas. The case of the Autopistas Norte construction. Also, the fragmentation doesn't allow wetlands to connect with other parts of the ecosystem, affecting critical services such as water purification, water storage, and flood control.